For me, I work as a machine learning and data scientist. So what we did is to try to all the data from what the first speaker mentioned, how to analyze your data, how to get your data. So sometimes you also need your models, like your solution, like you need them to work. Like for example, when you try to interact with stuff like your CV, so what happens in the background? So that's basically what I do. Like you try to learn patterns from data for people to be able to use it. Try to learn how this data, how they work, what happens in between them. Is it your text, your figure, or anything that you work with? You try to learn patterns and try to make it work for people. For example, you have chatbots that you talk to. What happens in the background? It's not that they are getting something, they are just getting knowledge from the data that you got it from your data engineer, like your data analyst, and you are trying to make it bring it to life for people to use it. That's what I think.
Thank you so much.